Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the poem Special Hero, Unit 1, 8th Standard English. Children, the poem Special Hero is a memory poem. So, all of you noted down the important points of this session, and in case if you have any doubts, make a note of it in your notebook and it will be rectified on the day of reopening. This poem was written by the poet Christina Mackey Kirsten. Children, this poem was written by the poet Christina Mackey Kirsten. This is a beautiful poem. Here, the poet Christina Mackey Kirsten explains about the sacrifices made by the father to the family as well as children. The poet Christina Mackey Kirsten is the speaker, and the poet's father is the special hero mentioned in the poem. Okay, children, now let's see the poem lines. There are 4 stanzas in this poem. Let's see the lines. When I was a baby, you would hold me in your arms. I felt the love and the tenderness, keeping me safe from harm. I would look up into your eyes, and all the love I would see. How did I get so lucky? You were the dad chosen for me. There is something special about your father's love. Seems it was sent to me from some place up above. Our love is everlasting. I just wanted you to know that you are my special hero, and I wanted to tell you so. Okay, children, now let us see the explanation for all the stanza. When I was a baby, you would hold me in your arms. I felt the love and the tenderness, keeping me safe from harm. The letter I refers to the poet Christina Mackey Kirsten. Hold means to keep in the hand. Hold means to keep in the hand. Felt is the past tense of feel. Tenderness means kindness. Tenderness means kindness. Harm means hurt or injury. Harm means hurt or injury. Let's see the explanation for the lines. In the first stanza, the poet describes her father's love towards her. When she was a baby, her father would hold her in his arms, and she felt her father's love and kindness. Her father always kept her safe from harm. So the poet felt her father's love and kindness. Next, let's see the second stanza. I would look up into your eyes, and all the love I would see. How did I get so lucky? You were the dad chosen for me. Chosen is the past tense of choose. Let us see the explanation for the lines. In the second stanza, the poet says that when she looked up into her father's eyes, she could see the love of her father, and she was able to experience his love for her in his eyes. And the poet felt that she was so lucky that he was the dad chosen for her. Next, let's see the third stanza. There is something special about your father's love. Seems it was sent to me from some place up above. Children, the word special means different from what is usual. Special means different from what is usual. Let us see the explanation for the lines. In the third stanza, the poet says that there is something special about your father's love. It cannot be equaled to anything. And the poet thought that her father was sent to her from some place up above, which is heaven. Children, next, let's see the final stanza of this poem. Our love is everlasting. I just wanted you to know that you are my special hero, and I wanted to tell you so. The word everlasting means lasting forever or a very long time. Everlasting means lasting forever or a very long time. Let's see the explanation for the final stanza. In the last stanza, the poet just wanted him to know that their love is long lasting forever. And finally, the poet wanted to tell her father that he was her special hero. Okay, children, now let's see the short recap of this poem. The poem Special Hero is about the father's love towards her child. The poet describes her father's love and care towards her. When she was a baby, he held her in his arms and she felt his love and kindness. The poet's father always kept her safe from harm, and she was able to experience in his love for her in his eyes. The poet felt that she was lucky that he was the dad chosen for her, and there was something special about the father's love. And she thought that her father was sent to her from heaven. The poet just wanted him to know that their love lasts forever, and she wanted to tell him that he was her special hero. Okay, children, I hope you all understood the poem. Now we'll see the glossary. Tenderness, gentleness, and kindness. Everlasting, lasting forever or a very long time. Special, different from what is usual. Harm, injury. Hold, to keep in the hand.